stable against the barrier for now.
Suspension's fractured. We need to lift this carefully.
Chocks are in place. Deploying the beacons now.
Keep an eye on that strut mount.
All right, she's clear of the barrier now. Pull it up.
Unit 4, confirming attachment complete, ready for extraction.
Roger, applying tension now. Watch the barrier. Keep it coming slow.
Watch the front right, it's catching.
Boards are clear.
Okay, the alignment shows the right side is off by 3 inches.
Got it. The crash bar is bent down here.
Yeah. I'll make a note on the tablet about the radiator fins.
Okay, battery's disconnected. Chocks are in place. Ready for the lift brackets. Are set. Bring the laser over here. Readings look off on the passenger side.
Okay, pull it another 2 millimeters.
Reading 4.5 on the cross member.
Pressure looks stable. Continuing the pull.
Right rail is within tolerance.
Left side is corrected. Cross member next.
Recording measurements now.
Control arm aligned. Hand me the hub assembly.
Tie rod torque to spec.
Caliper mounted. Verify alignment now. All right, get the lower bolt out now.
Got it. Caliper secure?
Yep, caliper's good. Rotor's next. Okay, run the scan now. Let's see where we are.
Front left is perfect. Right side needs a minor adjustment.
I've got the new harness routed correctly.
There.
Safe to work, status confirmed.
Picture. The data shows the frame is still sagging on the passenger side.
Okay. How far off are we from the Redeye specs?
We still careful with that headlight assembly. It's completely shattered.
Got it. Should I bag these bolts with the bumper hardware?
Yes, keep everything organized by section. Make sure that drain pan is secure. We don't want any spills.
Got it. This condenser bolt is fighting me.
Lines are capped on this side.
Rear anchors are locked in.
Pinch welds are tight.
Laser shows 5 millimeters off. We are ready for the pull sequence.
Check the readout on the left rail.
Still showing red, apply more pressure.
All right, the cross member alignment is good. Mark the checklist. How's the toe on the front left?
It's way off. Let's adjust the tie rod.
Caster looks good now. Let's lock it down.
Pearl balance is spot on. Rich depth.
Agreed, the flake consistency is perfect under the LEDs. We're good to go.
All right, slow it down. The gloss on this Redeye is incredible.
It really popped in the booth. No runs on the doors.
Confirmed. Let's prep for the final sand.
Keep the pressure even on the edges. Switching to 3000 grit now.